I walk by something every single day outside, and it's about trees. We are nowhere near as strong as trees are, and I've been thinking about moving forward, thinking about things that happen to us that change context, that impact the way that we live life, and whether that happens fast or that happens slow. There's like a wet blanket outside. These trees right here. See how tall these things are? But what I'm interested is this fence over here. Although there's a bunch of trees that are doing this. I thought about an analogy for you, because trees seem to be a very popular thing regarding analogies. Look at this. Right through it. Probably sap buildup. Boom. Look at that. Look at right in there. Right through it. This branch fell. But look at that. It's not even connected down here. That's not an indication of something alive. I don't know what it is. Even though that branch isn't even connected. Latched on. Unless it broke. Regarding impermanence lately, I've been thinking about the power of surging change and change gradually. So things that happen suddenly and things that happen very slowly. And the tree offers that image. You can cut down a tree, but you can't unsaw it. And you can also watch leaves fall. So there's a lot of change that happens under our noses, but there's also a lot of change that happens immediately. A surge of a context or circumstances you're in, rather than the circumstances you're already in slowly changing. The change that happens to us that we don't have control over, the change that's sort of outside of us, that we can only respond to, that sort of change is very deep and sticks with us for a long time. It's not something surface level and circumstantial. With embracing change that happens to us and leveraging it, using it, incorporating it into our lives, as the tree goes right through the fence. The tree can still prosper and grow even when it has to grow through that obstacle. To quote Robert Frost, right, the only way out is through. What people really mean when they say moving forward, instead of forgetting about something, it's sort of an embracing of the past and how it is sown into the present, and then going into the future, using that obstacle as leverage to learn and prosper. What do you think? I'm getting back into this here. I'm ready. Momentum is here. Some of the simplest ideas have the most profound meanings. They resonate with the stories that we tell. Yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. Ideas are powerful. You can learn from something as simple as that. Keep being you, TFTBA. Everybody, Palka. See you next time.